We recognize in the most supreme dhikr of Allah, La ilaha illallah. When we say that word ilah, all power, all might, every form of unlimited, infinite power that Allah has, the infinity Allah has, it is in that ilaha. La ilaha, there is no one that has illallah except for Allah Azza wa Jal. La ilaha illallah puts me in a state where, once I know all of this, I know that no human can help me. No human can benefit me. No one, except if Allah wills. The hadith of Tirmidhi is very clear when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam spoke to Abdullah bin Abbas radiallahu anhu on a conveyance, and he told him, he said, Ya ghulam, O young one, I'm going to teach you, inni u'allimuka kalimat. I'm going to teach you certain words. And he told him, know that if the whole world came together to benefit you, everyone in the whole world comes together to give you some benefit. This is not one community. This is not one group of people. We're talking about the entire West Australia. Entire Australia, all on your side. They all come to benefit you. The whole of the continents of the world, of every person wants to now do something good to you. But Allah does not want that good to happen to you. Then you can't make it happen. And Allah's messenger says the opposite. If the whole world was to come and be against you, imagine this whole community is against you. This is the person of La ilaha illallah, what he sees. If so-and-so is against me, so-and-so is against me, but I'm with Allah. And the entire parts of Australia and parts of the world, or maybe the whole world, as the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, they want to harm me. And Allah decides that I'm not going to allow anyone to harm them. Nothing at all is going to come my way. And that is our faith in La ilaha illallah, which is, He is the one and only in power. La ilaha illallah.